Good morning, children. Today we will revise sums from 13.3 and 13.2. Mixing this from these two exercises, we will do few sums as a revision. Let's start from 13.2 first. See, it is a revision exercise and we will do one simplification where in the simplification you have to give the result only, not in the exponential form. Can you see the board? See the board clearly. So simplify. It is 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 by 10 cube into t to the power 4 into t to the power 4. So what you have to do, as all the numbers are not in their prime factor form, so you have to convert it into prime factor form first. So what you will do, 25, you know 25 means 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. So I have to write it 5 square. Then it is another 5 square. This one is here. Instead of 25, I have written 5 square. T to the power 8, I will write as it is. T to the power 8. Next is 10. Instead of 10, with its prime factor form, what I will write? I will write 2 into 5. You know that. So 2 into 5, when we are writing 10 to the power 3, that means we can write 2 into 5 whole to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, isn't it? Check. In the rough work I have shown in this one. Now what you will do, instead of 10, I am writing here 2 cube into 5 cube, 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, and as it is t to the power 4 I have given here. Now next sum is, now next one is, see 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, both are same base and powers you need to add there. So what you will do, 5 to the power 2 plus 2 as 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8 as it is written given here. In the denominator, no same bases are not there, so I have to write as it is. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. After that, I am taking the sum from here so that I can do in this space, I can use this space. Come to here, this space I am using 5 to the power 2 plus 2. So it was 5 to the power 2 plus 2 will become 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8. In the denominator, 2 cube into 5 cube, 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. After that, what you will do, 5 to the power 4 minus 3. Why? Because 4 is in the numerator and it is in the denominator. That means these two are in the division form. In the division form, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. With using this law, I can subtract 4 minus 3 and t to the power 8 minus 4 as t to the power 8 in the numerator and t to the power 4 in the denominator. So t to the power 4, 8 minus 4. 2 cube is alone here. So 2 cube keep in this way only. Next portion is 5 to the power 4 minus 3, 1 into t to the power 8 minus 4, 4 by 2 cube means 8. So you can write answer in this way also, and you can write 5 t to the power 4 by 8. Understood? You can write the answer in this way also, as in this way also, in this way also, which one you will like. Next sum is, next one is write in expanded form. From next exercise you know that it is 13.3. Write the sum in expanded form. 2806196. You have to write the sum in the expanded form. So when you will write it, you have to write 2. Then this one in the junior classes you have written in this way. What you will do? 2, how many zeros you have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 10 to the power 6 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for 8 into 10 to the power, after 8 is in which position? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, in this way. So in this way you have to write, it is after 8, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So you have to give 5 zeros only, 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into zeros position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power 4 plus position of 6. 6 is in the position of thousands position, so 10 to the power 1, 2, 3 thousands position. Next 1 is in the hundred position, 9 is in the tens position, and 6 is in ones position. So as 6 is in the ones position, so what you will write? 6 into 10 to the power plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. What you will write? 6 into 10 to the power 0. Understood? Next sum, come to the next one. It is slightly different one. So what you will do? Another type. Here the expanded forms are given. Here the expanded forms are given and you have to convert it in a number. Find the number. So what you will do? It will be 3 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4. That means 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 1, 2 plus 5. 10 to the power 0 means 1. So 5 into 1. After that what you will do? 3,705. 3,000, not 3,000, 30,000. 30,000, that means 30, 700, 10 and 5. If you add this, you will get. From where these zeros came? As 4, power was 4, so 4 zeros. Power was 2, so 100. Power was 0, that means 1. 10 to the power 0 means 1. 5 into 1, 5. Understood? Next sum. Come to the next one. You have to write in the standard form. The most important sums from this exercise is you have to write in standard form. The sums you have to write in standard form. Understood? Now, express the following numbers in standard form. Here what you have to do? Here in the standard form, when we have started writing any number in standard form, what I will write? What I have to do? I have to give one complete digit if it is possible in front. In the front portion, it's ones place number and then 10 to the power something. This is the standard form only. But here, what is the number I can give as a to give the whole number in front of the number in standard form? It is 5. And after 5, see 10 to the power something means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So can I write in this way? 5 into 10 to the power 7. From where do you get 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is in the standard form. This is the number you can write in the standard form. Here also, see how can I write the number in standard form? In the previous number all are zeros, so you can think that only in this case only I can write in this. No, here also you can write. Here the zeros, where is the point? Point is say this is the complete number I have seen. So when I have to write in a standard form, I can use only one whole number in front of the number. It is the standard type of the writing standard form. Now, so 3 point something, whatever the numbers are there, I will write. So 3 point. After point, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 into 10 to the power 9. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I have given 3 into 10 to the power 9. But I have to write the digit also. We no need to write these zeros after this point. But these digits you have to use here. What are the digits? 1, 8, 6, 5. So what is the final result you are getting? 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9. 9 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because point was not there, I am making this big number in a small value, so which is become now 3.1865. Exactly, I can't change that value, so I have to multiply with 10 to the power 9 also. Understood? Now make this number. I have given the same number 3 times, but I have changed the number by using their point. I have changed the number using point. See, check the number 390878. I have to write in standard form, so I have to give the point here. From where this point is moving from, say it is here, so point is moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So I have to write the complete number what is given here, 3.90878. okay, 3.90878. Whatever the numbers are given, I have written, but it was, the number was once 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 3,90,878, and I am writing very small digit 3.90878. It is not possible, so I have to keep it as it is. So I will multiply the number into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5. Then the number will be same as it is given here. Look at this number. Look at this number. It is. Look at this number. Point is here. It is not a lakh. Then 39,087. 0.8. So the point will move from here to how many places? You will write the number 3.90878 as it is given. But the point is now not moving after 8. It is moving before 8. So it has to move only 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many places it has moved? 4 places. So 10 to the power 4. Okay, now come to the next question. Next, the point is now after 8, that means 3,908.78. So here also you will write the same thing, 3.90878, but this time point is moving from this place 1, 2, 3, that means 10 to the power 3. Understood? I hope if you practice it, and already I know that you have already practiced, and when you will practice this 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, then it will be easy for you to understand. And students, practice it properly. Thank you.